This is Matt, and this will be a video on Polymarket. So I'm right here on the main page of Polymarket. You can find it at polymarket.com. So if you're not familiar, Polymarket essentially is a kind of prediction market. So it's a little bit of betting, a little bit of prediction market stuff. It's been quite controversial. You need to sign in for that. It's been quite controversial, as obviously what you can see as you sort of cast your eye around some of these. You've got everything from will the US confirm that aliens exist to really specific American political stuff. You've got stuff around the war in Iran, as well as all the usual sports betting and the prediction market stuff around sports. So you can see you've got some Bitcoin stuff here. You can see that it's been fairly controversial. Obviously, there's ethical issues as far as, people influencing potentially political moves. And you've got kind of the idea of insider trading as well. I mean, when you see the volume of money that's actually put on some of these things, I mean, you've got like $3 million volume there. You've got like $294 million of volume here. So yeah, if you're into this kind of stuff, it's really interesting, but I'm just putting out there that there's obviously a certain amount of controversy around this. So how you actually use this site, I mean, it looks quite confusing. There's a lot of moving parts, a lot of stuff going on here, but I'll click into a few of these just so that you can see what's going on here. So let's do a fun one first, the aliens existing one. Let's click into that one. So I'll give you a rough rundown of what's going on here. So essentially, this is a market that decides, or at least asks the question, will the US confirm that aliens exist by ... And so then what we've got here is a number of dates. So this is the normal dates you get on Polymarket. It's normally kind of split with a few months apart. And this is how this betting market works. So you've got June 30th, and you can see the volume here. That's essentially how much has actually been bet on this particular decision right here. So will the US confirm that aliens exist by June the 30th? There is currently, according to Polymarket, a 1% chance of that happening. And you can actually bid on this result right now. So you could say no at 99 cents, 99.2 cents, or you could say yes at 0.9 cents. So if you believe that that will happen in that time, it's a very, very small bet. Obviously, these are just numbers. You could put as much on, you could come in here and put like, $100,000 or something on this decision on either one. As you can see, you can put this up in increments right here, as you see. So I'm saying yes to this at $600. If that is a win, in inverted commas, I will somehow receive 57,000 on this aliens thing. But I mean, if aliens do exist, maybe we've got bigger problems than me getting 57,000 off something as crazy as this. But I mean, there's a lot to say here. Obviously, we've got the other two dates, which I'll get into in just a moment. But the rules. So for each of these, and obviously I've started with a pretty crazy one, that will aliens be confirmed that they exist? This market will resolve to yes if the President of the United States, or any member of the Cabinet of the United States, any member of the Joint Chiefs of Staff, or any US federal agency, and it isn't defined which agencies it allows there, definitively state that extraterrestrial life or technology exists by June 30th, 2026. And it has to be done by 11:59 p.m. So if it exists by July 1st, then sorry, you're not going to win your 57K if you put $600 on. Otherwise, the market will resolve to no. So yeah, I mean, this is obviously a bit of fun. You can see the comments here. People are obviously doing the usual stuff down here. So it's all a little bit of fun, that one. If I go back to the main page here, the World Cup is on. The World Cup is on right now. So if we click into the World Cup, you can see that this is a more kind of technical sports betting type situation you've got here. It's early, well, I guess it's mid-June now, and you can bet on the World Cup results. So you can actually bet on individual games in the same way that you would with sports betting. You can bet on a Canadian win, a Bosnian win, or a draw right here. And there's some more detail that you can get into here, the spreads and stuff. But here are all the different games in order, and you can bet on those. And again, you would bet in the same way once you've logged into your account. From there, they also have props over here, so there's like very specific bets on like the golden boot, and we'll name our play. So sometimes they're like very specific questions, we'll name our play, or it might be like the result of, will USA beat you know, whoever. You can have all of them here. You can get the different awards ones here. The bracket as well, you can bet on the individual brackets. That's pretty cool. They've got this whole graphic set up for it, and there's also a map right here. So this is quite cool, actually. You can see all of the, this is actually the favourites to win the whole tournament. So right now, Spain are the favourites at 17%. That's actually gone up slightly today. France are the second favourite, and then Portugal third. And of course, England, the mighty England, who will surely win this World Cup. We're here on 10%, actually ahead of Argentina, Brazil, Germany and the Netherlands. That's pretty cool. Norway, wow, a respectable 9, and Japan round out the top 10. Yeah, so I didn't think Japan had much of a hope this year or any year really. USA are right down here, Mexico just above. Yeah, so that's the World Cup stuff. You can click around for the breaking news depending on what's going on. So if I click into the SpaceX IPO one, this is another feature that they have here on Polymarket. You can track this, and this is essentially how likely this decision is to be made. And you can see how it tracks the yeses and how it develops over time, as you can see. So that's a pretty cool graphic. Obviously, people can use this for, you know, you hear all sorts of rumors around insider trading. I mean, technically, someone who's intimately involved in the SpaceX IPO could bet a huge amount of money, you know, on this, as they know, you know, what the result of a certain aspect of an IPO will be. In this case, will Elon Musk ring the bell? So you do get that kind of stuff going on, or at least rumors of that. If you click new, this is all the new stuff. Some of these are quite obscure. The politics stuff, if you're into that, they've got all these categories here. You can do like UK election stuff, LA mayoral election type stuff. You got global elections, you know, betting on elections. Obviously, it's you know, open to interpretation as to the ethics of that. Sports betting, which is obviously a little bit more kind of acceptable to most people. You got crypto over here. You got esports, Iran, finance, geopolitics. Have at it, guys. You know, you got a bit of everything here. The trending ones are always interesting as well, because you can see a little bit about what's going on in the world. Here are the trending ones down here. So that was just a short introduction to Polymarket. You can sign up here. I'm not an affiliate or anything. I don't even use it that much myself. I don't have any kind of a real ethical stance. I've just outlined, you know, what some people think as far as the ethics go. I don't personally do the political stuff, but the sports stuff can be quite fun. So hopefully you found this video interesting, informative on Polymarket. Get your account. You can sign up or log in if you already have an account. Start looking around. One thing I do find it quite interesting for, when you look back, there is a way of looking at the archives of some of these, especially with like the political ones or even the weather or the economy ones. It can be quite interesting to see, you know, if we think about the Fed decision in July, for instance, the US Federal Reserve, this is quite interesting to see what they think the difference in the BPS will be. And you can, it's just interesting in that, how do I explain it? So at the moment, most people think there will be no change, 93% of the people. So people have spent good money on that. They've actually spent over $1 million on the assumption that there will be no change. So in theory, you know, 93% of people, some big money people, there's probably a lot of kind of investors and people that are close to that decision are saying that this is almost certainly no change. So what I'm saying is you can kind of go into some of the politics and the economy stuff and kind of see a little bit about how the world might go and how the world might be working. Same with the election results and things like that. I'm not saying that Polymarket is always right. You know, you can go on like Wikipedia and find out examples of when they've been very right about elections and stuff, or sports, and you can also find examples about when they've been very wrong. Obviously sports, there's more randomness involved. With the politics stuff, arguably, and the war stuff, arguably, there's going to be some more insider stuff because people obviously know what decisions are going to be made ahead of time. So it's very interesting to see how the world goes, what might be going on. I mean, here you go. This is interesting as well. The largest company by the end of June, Nvidia at 94%. I mean, how would you bet against Nvidia? You got Alphabet there and Apple, and obviously also huge multi-trillion-dollar companies. But yeah, you can kind of see how things might be playing out in the world in a variety of different spaces, whether it be tech or finance, the economy, even weather. I mean, weather's pretty random anyway. The crypto stuff and the politics stuff. So Hopefully you found this video on Polymarket useful and informative. If you have, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.